What's up, guys? We are back for another video. Right now we are currently getting some gas, then we are gonna go meet up with our friend Rodell and Dwayne. Dwayne, you know, from probably a couple of videos ago, he has the pink BMW. Currently, sadly, it is down, so he won't be riding. He's hopping in with Rodell. But we are going to some BMW meet. I don't know. Had nothing to do this morning. There's no other events. Later today, there is a cruise that will be next week's vlog. Maybe I'll flip them. No clue what I'm going to do. But yeah, we are going to a BMW meet. Ooh. Oh, God. I sprayed everywhere. She squirted. But yeah, we are going to be on our way to a BMW meet. Bringing a super bike to a BMW meet. See how it goes. But yeah, no, we're going to go meet them. I don't know if I'm going to meet them at his house or at the gas station, but wherever I do meet them, I will catch you guys there. I'll catch you in a second. We are back with our buddy, Dwayne, and then our other friend. Was it Rochette? Something with an R. I could never remember. But that's his beautiful big body Beamer, old school. But yeah, no, so we will be heading to, I guess we're going to a pre-meet. We're going to hit a pre-meet before we go to the main meet, but I'll catch you guys. Let's hit the freeway, maybe start talking and riding a little bit. But yeah, so we picked up our two friends. Dwayne's car is somewhat working now, I guess. Not completely, but it's working. Alright, couple more BMWs. Another big body. We are back. Let me turn down the volume on my music. I don't want you hearing about everybody, but we left the pre-meet. Now there's 4 of us. So, like I said, I don't know exactly anything about this. I just know it's a BMW, I think, meet, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's just Beamers. We'll see. I don't know. Oh no, is that a Mustang? Oh yeah, that's a Mustang. So there's more stuff than just Beamers here. But we're gonna ride around once we get in here right now. I'll do a little loop. Oh no, that's a Beamer. That just looked like Mustang headlights. That is hilarious. Must be a BMW model. Oh, yep. All these low boys can barely park. Well, there's a Z. Take a little ride around and take a look at everything. I guess we'll just walk around and look at everything. Oh, that's clean. That's a cool color. Pro charged. Oh look, there's a Camaro. I wonder where they're all going. What do we got over here? Roll cage and an M4. Some other Beamers. Oh no, a lot of Beamers. A lot of Beamers. You got a bottle of Henny in there? Ooh, some Boston. I think that's what that's called. I love those wheels. Those Boston wheels, I think, are so beautiful. What do we got going? Marrow. Oh, that's cool. That's clean. No, look at that thing. I think it looked boosted. Got a little Pro Charger on there.
This was fast. He's making like 800 in this thing.
I'm on a bike that there's probably maybe one car here.
I know, bro. I know.
It's not fair on that. The car, if I was in the V, different story, but I gotta get that thing registered in Arizona now. When?
Said you better.
Oh yeah, no, it's going to.
Yeah, bought that car in so long, dude.
It hasn't been legal since January. What do you think about the new M2 front end? I don't know if I like this one or the other one more. They're
I like
the big grill more.
I like the rear end, but the front end I'm not.
Damn, they let the Tesla up front? The new Tesla?
The Nissan, they got the Nissan right here. Bro.
And the Toyota. Or it's basically a BMW, that's why.
Funny next to the car.
Oh, this one is, or? Uh oh.
Oh my god. I was like, so impressed. I was like,
that looks like a little decent sized Vortex, a little blower. Air to water intercooler. That's different. Most people do air to air when you go aftermarket, but air to water up top, that's pretty neat. Big fan with this intercooler radiator. Little carbon fenders. Little plain cage. I wonder if it's actually tracked or not. Got a big old wing. Carbon hood.
okay.
It's an exterior oil filter. Yeah, I think that's an exterior oil filter. Alright. Wait, that's out. No. Okay. That's a pretty red.
Okay.
I'll throw the back seat on for you. I got an extra helmet.
Oh hell no! I'm not getting on bikes, bro.
I got a back seat and 4 extra helmets.
Oh my god.
I'm good. You crash your bikes, bro.
Ooh, chrome wheels? I like those. I love me some chrome. Bright ass green. Must be a wrap. Donut wheels. Oh, an M3 and a 4. Oh, this is pink. It's a crazy paint color. Double stacker wings. For the lower and the upper wing. That's like an $8,000 diffuser exhaust setup. Ridiculous. I don't understand it. Man, bro hitting cars out here, bumping into them. Ooh, the T-box is cold with the matching color. Ooh, big turbo. Killer.
Do you think there's any car here that keep up with you on the bike?
The Supra. That's a big ass intercooler and a weld on the rear. That's the first thing I saw was the tire.
No,
They can make them fast. I don't know,
I don't think so.
but for probably something that weighs, what does like an M4 weigh? Like an M4 comp. Like what is the lightest a BMW is?
33, 34, I want to say. 34.
So it'd probably need 1200-ish to the wheel. 11, 12.
So nothing here, because you're not pushing a B58 that hard. Yeah, bro, that's like a fully built everything.
Yeah.
Internal and everything.
Because the bike makes 220 to the wheel at 400 pounds, 404 pounds.
How much?
404.
No, horsepower?
220 to the wheel.
Damn. My car makes 20 horsepower more than your bike.
No. Are you crank or wheel? That's at my rear one tire. So crank, it's probably 2 higher than that.
So you probably just wanted to make me feel real little right there.
Yeah. No, the power to weight ratio is like,
That's crazy.
no, it's ridiculous. It pops the wheel. I can full on wheelie in 4th gear. If I pin it at like high RPM, it will jump on me if I don't keep wheelie control on at 100.
That's nice.
No, that bike is stupid. It has everything you can do to a bike until you do motor work. Yeah, there's only like stretched, fully done S1Ks, H2s, and then a V4R, like the only 3 bikes that like with tunes and everything stock, it won't, but fully done up will beat that bike. It's ridiculous.
Is it a cop one? Black and white like one. Is it blue? I like this gen Porsche, the GT3. Is it? No, it's not turbo. Whatever it is. I've always liked this front end. Or that old one I posted on my story. I don't know what it's called, like Bubble Eye Porsche, whatever. The old, yeah, I think they call it something Bubble Eye. Somebody commented it.
Peanut eye.
Peanut, something eye.
Teardrop eye.
So I don't know what it was. I posted on my story like, hey, this is clean. Oh.
You look like these kids.
I'm listening, we're listening. Looks like you might be nice with it. He looked like he wasn't.
I was about to die.
Yeah.
I thought I was about to get killed right
We're at the wrong place because they could come straight up the driveway. Yeah. Right here, they could come straight up on us. He wanted to make it look like he wasn't leaving. Good, because he had big brakes. Look, and he's still trying to swing it. Bro said, let me cover the plate real quick. Oh, I forgot this shit. Well, it's Daddy's car. That's that young kid. Got some sticky tires too. Come on, Volvo.
What is this called? Donuts and wheels?
Donuts and wheels? It is true though.
They took that shit serious.
They did.
For sure stolen. This guy looks boosted too if he's on a tire like that, I would think. Does look fast.
Ooh, bro, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, jaywalking's not ticket no more. The 5-0. Pull in here, come on. I need a thumbnail. Please pull in, thank you.
Where's the invite?
You just got here.
I have a G20 M340i. Where's the invite? Dang, dude, this is freaking sick. What's going on? I see some A90s. See some MQs. Hey, but you know why you got called out here, right? Yeah. So I understand you. Like majority of these car meets are very, very cool. You guys are all very cool. You guys all have rules within yourselves too. I've been to a couple of these. It just takes one person to kind of mess it up. Yeah. Did that guy leave? The guy doing donuts and speeding off to the intersection? Yeah. Well, I'm not going to break up the party. I'm actually going to hang out if that's cool with you guys and check out some cars, yeah?
Yeah.
That'd be great. All right, let's do that. We have a couple more cops coming. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. As long as no one's doing donuts and stuff. The property owners here, they know you guys are doing a little car meet and stuff. They're the ones actually hosting it.
Who is it?
They're the ones hosting it.
Who is?
Renegade from
Right on. You're cool if I hang out with you guys for a minute? I just got my Beamer, so I just joined the game.
What did you get? Yeah.
G20.
You should arrest that one. He's trouble. All right, so the guy they ratted on, I guess they got over here pulled over. So don't know exactly what's going on. We are live again. That
It was crazy. That kid that was swinging it like crazy, being an idiot. He's 18, which is, I think, insane. Like, literally got pulled over for basically acting like a dumbass. And bro is 18 years old. They literally had to put his girl on the curb. Thank you.
I'm an R7, but I'm not ready for this shit yet.
But it's a difference that but hey, I heard if you tune them, R7s, it's a it's a whole different bike. I know they're kind of basic to start, but I recommend tuning them because it wakes it up a lot. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely would if I were you. All right, have a good one. Right, thank you. You too. But yeah, that was cool. Oh, so that's a Nissan. All right. Yeah, I didn't know that this was a Nissan. It's clean though. It's clean. Oh, I like his interior. But like we were saying, yeah, no, kid, he ended up being 18. Think they said his mom's car. And I think that's wild, like crazy. Imagine being 18 and getting pulled over for doing all the shit they did. I do think it's super wrong for them to snitch on him. They literally snitched on him. But yeah, no, so we about to go get us some food. You know, we always hungry. We stay hungry. Let me make sure my pocket is closed. All right, we're good. We stay hungry out here, but yeah, we're going to grab us some food. Going to get us some California special, some In-N-Out right now. This is crazy. I totally forgot to mention this this car is right-hand drive. Bro is on the wrong side of the road. Do you guys see that? Like, look at that. Let me make sure. We live? Yeah, we're good. All right, yeah, bro is legit. It is right-hand drive, which is insane. Like, I wonder how weird that feels to be driving on the right. Like, I don't know. Especially because it's probably not as daily. Like, imagine switching from, like, left to right. Imagine if it's a manual and you have to shift with your left hand. Like, that's... I don't know. That's just... I don't know. It feels so weird to me, guys. I don't know what it is. I think this will be a wrap to this vlog. So thank you guys for watching this one. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you can catch us weekly, and hopefully soon I'll be able to get up to twice a week. But yeah, make sure to, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.